sure website where rich people give free money. Hi, my name is Chidi and I welcome you to Worldly Mindset with Chidi, a channel where I share information on how to make money online. There are times in our life where we genuinely need financial help and we needed someone to come through for us. You have a business idea and you need money to fund it, or you have a hospital bill to pay, but you don't have the money, or you have a project you want to run, but no money to fund this project, or you have this creative idea, but you needed money to bring it to reality. But I've got good news for you. In this video, I will show you a website where rich and kind-hearted people assist people financially to achieve their goal, to achieve their project, to achieve whatever business idea it is that they have. Now, I want to tell you, do not feel guilty for reaching out to people for help, especially when you are genuinely in need. And understand that cyber begging is 100% legal. You are not committing any offense or crime, because I have been there before and I know how it feels. That is the reason I'm making this video, so that a lot of people out there can get the help that they need. So before we go into this video, I'm sending love to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're yet to subscribe, I urge you to hit the subscribe button below. Also like and share this video, and also feel free to ask your questions in the comments section and I'll be there to answer all of your questions. So ensure you watch this video to the very end, because you don't know the exact website that will change your life. So let's dive right into the video. So the first website we're looking at today is called beggingmoney.com. Beggingmoney.com, just as the name implies, is where you beg money or you seek for financial assistance. So like I said before, do not feel bad that you are begging online. As a matter of fact, begging online or cyber begging is 100% legal. It is never a crime for you to ask someone for assistance online. You are only asking for help from people with a good heart to donate to you willingly. Whether you are a single mom or someone who needs help financially, you can get all the financial help from beggingmoney.com. The second website where you can get help from rich and kind-hearted people who are willing to assist you or donate money for you in order to fund your project is called Fundly. Fundly is a crowdfunding site for online fundraising. It allows churches, politicians, club teams to raise money for people to fund their projects. They run some campaigns and share this project with their rich friends through their email, Twitter account, Facebook account, and other social media platforms. All you need to do is to simply pick a campaign on the kind of help you need. There are rich and generous people who are willing to help you on this website. They will give you all the assistance that you need in order for you to run your projects. All you have to do is to go into this website, create an account with them, and honestly, in details, describe the kind of project you are running. You set a fundraising budget or goal that you need the money for. You will find out that there are donors who will want to help you, and then you go ahead to share this campaign with friends. The third website where rich and kind-hearted people are willing to help is called Patreon. If you are a writer, content creator, artist, or any creative work you are into, Patreon is the platform where you can get help from, because Patreon will help you monetize your work and give you ongoing support for everything you do, so long as it is creative. All you have to do is to log on to Patreon, create an account there, and describe in your account what you can offer and also the value they will get from you. By so doing, you can build a community and get all the support that you need. I know so many channels here that are benefiting from Patreon. So go ahead and get all the support that you need for your creative work on Patreon. The fourth website where rich and kind-hearted people donate money to people is called betslist.com. Betslist.com is a free website where anyone can go and ask for donation online. It provides a place where people need things like food, shelter, education, and so on. So if you find yourself in a kind of hard time, you can go over to betlist.com and get all the help that you need. There are people there who are willing to help and assist you. All you need to do is to log on to betlist.com, create a page, and then, in all honesty, describe your situation there. You define the kind of assistance you need from them, whether you need it in cash or in kind. On betlist.com, you can get assistance in kind if you do not need cash. For instance, you need $100 for food items. Instead of asking for $100, you can go ahead and ask for those food items, and it will be provided for you. And you can also get assistance in the area of education. The next website is called Indiegogo. Indiegogo is a crowdfunding site. It funds whatever idea entrepreneurs have. On Indiegogo, entrepreneurs bring their business ideas to this place. Right here, you will find projects ranging from innovative tech projects to creative products. If it is your desire to launch those products, go over to Indiegogo and you will get all the help that you need for you to launch those products. The sixth website is called Crowdfunder. This is a website that connects entrepreneurs to investors. Investors can invest on business projects or ideas that entrepreneurs have. So they help them with capital, and this capital will be used to start up a business for them. It also allows you to showcase those business ideas that you have. So it gets funded and you bring those ideas to reality. All you have to do is to get over to the website. There are many investors there who are 100% willing to invest in those business ideas that you have, or your already established business, so long as you have a good plan. The next website is called GoFundMe. GoFundMe is a very popular website where rich and kind-hearted people assist people. You find help, or you fund your graduation, accident, ceremony, or sickness. Go to GoFundMe. You will get all the assistance that you need. Another website where you can get help from kind-hearted people who are wealthy and willing to help is called Fundable. Fundable is a platform where you can access free money from wealthy people. All that is done here is that small businesses are connected to investors and potential customers who may want to buy or pre-order a product. For instance, you have the idea to import a light bulb. These people will assist you in bringing it to reality, and at the end, you give them 20% of what was realized from this business that you did or from the importation that you made. All you need to do is to ensure that the business is a very good one, is a business that will yield profits. So log on to their website, create a profile, and outline your business ideas. You should be able to state your fundraising goal, like the budget needed for the business idea. The next website is called justgiving.com. Justgiving.com is a social platform for giving. It accepts people who want to do food business. You'll be surprised that you will get awesome help from justgiving.com. So log on to the website and get all the financial help that you need. The next website is called Kickstarter.com. Kickstarter.com is a popular one. It's a platform for crowdfunding. They fund people's projects. They cater for your kind of projects. They fund projects like music, design, art, all kind of projects. All you need to do is to put up your page where backers and supporters will find it, so that when they come to the platform, they will find it and support you or give you all the help that you need for that project. Kickstarter.com is one platform that gives you the probability that your project will be funded. It has funded thousands of people's projects, just like you have here, and has raised huge funds for people. So head over to this website and get all the help that you need. The last and the final one is Support Me. Yes, Support Me is all about you and me right now. So support me, support this channel by hitting the subscribe button, and also hit the like button for more people to see this video, especially those that need help. So drop your comments below and also come back to this channel for more. Until my next video is bye.